L-type gantry crane. Firstly, the L-type gantry crane adopts a single girder design, allowing small tonnage hoists to be suspended below the main girder, while larger tonnage trolleys can operate above the main girder. The crane's legs are designed in the shape of the uppercase letter L, providing a large working space and strong overspanning capability. It is not limited by the size of the load and can adapt to a variety of complex working environments, significantly improving work efficiency. Secondly, compared to a double girder gantry crane, the L-type crane is lighter in weight, has lower wheel pressure, and costs less. It is easier to manufacture and install, while its structure is strong and durable, ensuring long-term stable performance. In addition, the L-type gantry crane is flexible and easy to operate, offering a high level of safety. The crane's maintenance is also very simple, reducing operating costs.